Guys, today I'll be baking sweet potato pudding. Here I have my sweet potato, my yellow yam, my Irish potato, my flour, my sugar, salt, cinnamon powder, mixed spice, nutmeg, coconut, vanilla, almond flavoring. Guys, sit back and relax and let's begin. I love this baked thing because you see when it's hot, you can just open it at any time. If it was the seal one that don't have this thing to open, you'd have to wait until it well cool before you shake it out, because sometimes you try to shake it and it will break. But I'm telling you, this pan is very nice. And look at this guys, look at it. I'm so excited. Before you start grating, you have to peel all of your sweet potato, the yam, the Irish. The coconut, you have to make sure you break it and take off that outer layer. We call it the hucks. I don't know if other country call it different thing. And then I was cutting it up with my hand, Jamaican style, but I said no, let me use a cutting board. Yeah, and then this is finishing cutting up, and then we're gonna blend it out. Make sure you blend it out soft. So here I'm testing it to make sure it blend out good, so I give it another run in the blender. Then here I'm straining it out. Usually sometimes I would use a little of the trash in the pudding, but this coconut is not so nice. Back in Jamaica you get a nice dried coconut and stuff, and it's fresh and nice. So I didn't want anything to go wrong, so I didn't use any of the trash. But the next time I will use some of the trash. And then here I have my stuff. I peel them and wash them and start to grate them. But guys, let me give you a little story. You know how long I want to bake a potato pudding, but because of the gratering, I said I don't have the time. It's hard. My finger gonna get cut and all those stuff. Because I don't know if some of Jamaican people that live abroad know that when you blend all these stuff, it don't come out nice like when you grate it. When you grate it, it's come out like your Jamaican way, how you want it to make. Yeah, so yeah, gratering, it's good, it's easy, it's soft. The thing was soft and the grater sharp. Make sure you have a sharp grater. Make sure you focus. Gratering is like driving. You have to be focusing on the grater, because if you don't focus, it will slip and then you cut yourself on it. I'm using a fork to scrape it off. And I'm grating a little piece of ginger. You don't have to use any ginger in it, but just a little piece. And it's good. Here I'm mixing it up a little bit. Here I'm combining all the spice, the salt and the melted butter, the sugar, the molasses, in the coconut milk. When you combine all of these stuff and you mix it out, when you're ready to mix it in the dough, it's mix out better. Guys, if you could just smell this, it's so good. Before using your flour, you sieve it, because when you sieve it, it's better. Sometimes the flour have a little lumps in it, and when you're mixing it, it takes more time to mix out. Guys, I remember the days when I used to make this type of pudding outside on the fire. We call it hella top, hella bottom, and hallelujah in the middle. Man, you know why they say hallelujah in the middle when this bake? Nice, but for now, I have to bake it in the oven. I can't go outside to do that now. Don't want to call police on me. But it's gonna come out, brother. Trust me. Yeah, so when you're baking it outside, you have to have the fire on the top, and the fire on the bottom for it to bake. Because just like an oven, you know, your oven have the heat on the top and the heat on the bottom. Look at it. Here I have my bake pan. I use butter to grease it. I'm gonna pour if you want to put a piece of grease paper in it, you can, but I didn't put it in mine. And I'm filling up my pan because we don't have any baking powder in it, so it's not gonna rise up to run over. So you can fill your pan. See how I fill up mine? So you have a nice look when it come out. Preheat your oven for 350 degrees. Bake for 2.5 hours, but mine I have to give it 8 more minutes on it because it's an older stove. It's still hot, but I'm cutting into it. Oh, look at it. You can just break and eat like this, or you eat it with some ice cream of your choice. All right, guys, enjoy. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, guys. Try my potato recipe and let me know how it tastes. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.